Hi, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, and recently I saw in the AARP newsletter some pretty alarming news about Social Security, and that is benefits are scheduled to be cut in 2033 unless Congress acts. And here's the story. The Social Security Trust reports, they release them every year. The latest one found that the old age and survivors insurance, this is a standard retirement trust fund, will be able to pay 100% of total scheduled benefits until 2033. And at that point, they're going to start reducing the benefits to 77% of scheduled benefits unless Congress does something. So this is a really big deal for anybody who receives Social Security right now or is scheduled to start receiving Social Security later. And that's basically everybody who's a working adult. This is the retirement benefits I'm talking about, not the other parts of the Social Security program. So just be aware of that as you're planning your retirement. Also consider this issue when you're selecting candidates for office in Congress, because Congress ultimately has a lot of responsibility for deciding how Social Security can be preserved, how it can be strengthened, and the future of this program, which is extremely popular. It's been like a cornerstone of retirement planning in the United States for nearly 100 years. The other sources to look for information is AARP. If you're not a member already and you're kind of that age, I'm not retired yet, but I'm getting up there. This organization really keeps an eye on this, and actually, if they hadn't warned me about this, I wouldn't even be aware that this is a looming issue for me personally, because I will retire sometime in the 2030s, and that will affect the payout if nothing is done. Finally, if you're wondering why this is happening, this article on NPR, it kind of broke it down what's happening. Benefits paid out by the program have exceeded money coming in since 2021, and the trust fund is now expected to be depleted by 2033. That's a year earlier than forecast last year, thanks in part to slower economic growth. And by the way, slower economic growth, that's almost certainly in the cards for the rest of 2023 and perhaps for next year as well, owing to kind of a looming recession and signs of a recession, which are everywhere. So I'm not posting this video to kind of get people scared, because it's certainly, it's 10 years off that these changes are going to take place, but it's going to be a bigger and bigger issue as that timeline approaches, and something needs to be done to preserve this program as it was originally envisioned and as we are owed. Like, we've paid into this program for years, and we deserve the money that we were promised for a long time. It doesn't deserve to be yanked out from under us because Congress can't get its act together. So keep that in mind. And also, if you want more information on how to get the most out of Social Security, I'm the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. A few years back, we published a book called Social Security in 30 Minutes by author Emily Pogue. She dealt with this program for many, many years as kind of a human services representative, and she breaks it down, how it works, and some of the other considerations for tapping your Social Security retirement account when you reach that age. This is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.